On this Wayne. I've got this Alpha Grillers instant read meat thermometer. It's great for on the grill, in the kitchen, whichever. And what's real cool is you can be out on your grill and do this. Now, how's that? Doesn't that make it worth it? Just kidding. But anyway, this is a great item. Comes on when you pull out the probe, and it, like I said, it's instant read. So let's see how my temperature is. Well, I'm not quite dead. 86 on my hand. But anyway, it's got your chart for your meat temperatures right there. Got the readout. Got a light. Oops, that's the wrong button. That's for the Fahrenheit Celsius scale. There's a light. And anyway, it's a nice unit. It's easy to clean up. It is waterproof, and battery changes right here. They actually send you a second battery, which is cool. I mean, it's not much, for that second battery, but it's a cool item to have that when you need it, right? How many times you run out of something that has a battery like this, the flat batteries, and you don't have one around. So anyway, I like it a lot. Used a few times now, and it's just so simple. We had the dial one before, and sitting and waiting and waiting. What's it doing? Is it going? Is it pushed through? Yeah. We got this, and we like it. I think you probably will too. It's the Alpha Grillers meat thermometer. Thanks a lot.